Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Quratulain Salim. I am a PhD scholar at University of the Punjab, Pakistan. I am working under the supervision of Professor Dr. Kawal Amin, who is serving as Vice Chancellor, University of Home Economics, Lahore, Pakistan. Before I start my presentation, I would like to thank the conference organizers for providing me with the opportunity to present my work at such prestigious forum. The topic of my PhD research and this poster is congeniality of workplace environment for female library and information professionals in the higher education sector. Librarianship is considered as a feminist profession, and according to the literature, there are more females in the profession. However, there is no such study that has investigated that how safe and congenial are the libraries as workplace for female library and information professionals. Therefore, this study is planned to investigate the suitability of libraries as workplace for female professionals, and the conceptual framework, which is given in the figure 1, that divides the workplace environment into two main categories: human environment and organizational environment. The human environment is further divided as a manager's role at workplace, colleagues' relationship at workplace, and informal communication that take place at the workplace. And the organizational environment investigates the factors that came under the direct supervision of any organization, and the factors are physical workspace, workplace empowerment, and workplace equality. To conduct these studies and by keeping in view these factors, research questions were developed, and the research questions were, what is the role of manager in making a workplace congenial for subordinate female library and information professionals? How does colleagues can play a role in making a workplace congenial for female colleagues? What is the role of informal communication in making a workplace congenial for female professionals? How does physical workspace play a role in making workplace suitable for females? How do females perceive the concept of workplace empowerment at workplace? And how do they perceive the concept of workplace equality at the workplace? To conduct this study, explanatory sequential mixed method research design was selected, and figure 2 explains the explanatory sequential mixed method research design. In this research design, quantitative data is collected and analyzed at the first stage, which is followed by qualitative data collection and analysis, and the interpretations and discussions are made by combining or comparing the qualitative and quantitative results. However, this poster is based only on the quantitative strand of my study. And to conduct the quantitative strand of my study, I developed a questionnaire. The questionnaire was developed with the help of available literature and supervisor. The questionnaire was sent for expert opinion. After that, it was pilot tested with some of female professionals. And the final draft of questionnaire was used to collect the data. Female library and information professionals from HEC recognized universities of Punjab, Pakistan were selected as population of the study. Punjab is one of the most populated province of Pakistan, and it is world's 5th most populated province, and it has highest number of public and private sector universities as compared to the other provinces of Pakistan. At the time of data collection, there were 69 public and private sector universities in Punjab, and there were 89 female library and information professionals working in these 69 universities. The final draft of questionnaire was sent to these 89 females through email and WhatsApp groups, and out of 89 females, 77 questionnaires were received back. The 77 questionnaires were rechecked, coded, and entered into SPSS for quantitative analysis. Descriptive statistics, including frequencies, mean scores, and standard deviations, were used to perform the quantitative analysis. Figure 3, 4, 5, and 6 shows the demographical representation of LIPs who participated in the study, and the quantitative results shows that female LIPs were satisfied with their immediate manager's role and support in terms of respect, unbiased feedback, task allocation, and approachability. LIPs recognize colleagues' role in informal communication in making their workplace congenial by establishing a positive relationship with co-workers. They were found satisfied with the ergonomic workspace provided by their organization, and they appreciated the availability of workplace empowerment to perform their regular tasks. And according to the quantitative data, the majority never faced inequalities at their workplaces. However, the open-ended comments brought to light that females face like bullying, favoritism, male colleagues' indecent behaviors, managers' critical behaviors at the workplace, and inequalities due to the personal relations of other colleagues with manager. Considering these quantitative results and to further explore the human and organizational environment, an interview guide was prepared to conduct the qualitative strand of the study. It is assumed that the qualitative strand will further help in strengthening the quantitative results. After analysis of qualitative results, both type of results will be consolidated to draw the inferences and clear picture of libraries as a workplace. It is assumed that this study is a needed and valuable addition to the dearth of literature because this area is hardly touched in the past, and the findings and final results will help the management and authorities to develop such strategies that may help in improving the workplace environment for female library and information professionals working in the academic libraries of recognized universities and other universities as well. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to the final session of the conference and to the question answers. See you soon. Thank you very much for listening.